Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with EnergyHub for time of use charging automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the EnergyHub website. Locate the sign up or register button on the home page. Click on the sign up or register button to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address in the required field. Create a strong password that meets the site's security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Click on the Next or Continue button to proceed. You may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from EnergyHub. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the EnergyHub registration page. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name and address. Input your utility provider information when prompted. Select your time of use plan if applicable. Agree to the terms and conditions of the service. Click the Submit or Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once registered, log into your EnergyHub account with your email and password. Navigate to the Automation or Settings section in your dashboard. Select the Time of Use Charging option. Follow the prompts to set up your charging preferences. Save your settings to activate the time of use charging automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.